In today's tutorial, we are going to dive deep into two powerful Excel functions, int and trunc functions. This function can help you work with number more effectively and efficiently. So, whether you are a beginner or an Excel pro, stick around because you are going to learn some variable skills today. So, let's get started. Well, begin with the int functions. It's a fundamental functions used to round down or number to the nearest integer. So let's break it down. Let's start with the sentence of the int functions. So it's quite simple and it only take one argument, which is the number you want to round down. Okay, let's see with the in actions. So here we have the few number and I will do and use the int functions. So right here the int, then I just select this number and close it, hit on the OK. So here it's round up this number, and if I just drag it down, and here we got the round up number. Even we have the after decimal, we have the lots of number. Okay, so keep in mind that int always round down. If you need to round to this nearest whole number, you might need to combine with other functions. Okay, next up we have the trunc functions. It's also deal with numbers, but unlike int, trunc gives you more control over how you round. Let's explore. Let's start with the sentence of the trunc functions. And trunc functions, its sentence is similar to int functions. It's take one argument, which is the number you want to truncate. However, it also allows an optional second argument, which is the number of the decimal place you want to keep. Okay, so here I use the value. Then if I use here the trunc functions, this one, and just use the parenthesis, the first one is the number, so I can just close it, hit on the OK. So here I got it. Now if you want to just move it or just use the number of digit, and I want to use like the 2, hit on the OK, and here we got it. After 2 decimal we have the 2 number, or you can just drag it down and it will affect in the rest of the data according to your trunc functions. Okay, so the trunc function is incredibly versatile because you can choose how many decimal place to keep, and if you omit the second argument, it behaves like int and rounds down to the nearest whole number. Okay, so this is int function and trunc functions. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.